So hello guys, I'm Abhijit Anand and today I'm going to explain you the working of our app Simply Coding. We have given the first and foremost priority to coding since that is unavailable on literally on the all the big e-learning sites. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start. This is our app Simply Coding. You open it. This is the splash screen which remains there for a second, and this is the login page. As you can see, it has got login access with Google as well, and you can do it with email and password as well. So right now we are actually signed in, so I don't really need to. um, all you have to do is just have to write the email and the password and then click on login. It will authenticate you and then you will get logged in. It will act in the same manner, believe me. Okay, so and this is the Google one. I will show you how it does. Since I'm already a user, as you can see here, when I'm already logged in, it will show you that you are already a user. Now I have to select what subject I want to study. As of now, we have developed only app development, and all the other subjects, all the tutorials of the other subjects will be coming shortly, but for now we are focusing on app development. So when we select it, app development screen appears with one window as video tutorials and the other as written explanation. It will be coming soon. It will contain the written explanation of all the tutorials that will be given in this. So when I click on how to make a login screen, this is only for presentation. There will be many videos here. So today this is the first part of the tutorial of the login screen, as you all know. But first of all, you know well that you have to sign in through an account. And furthermore, all of these tutorials will be given by us. Whatever we have learned, we'll just make the tutorials of it and post those videos in here. Maybe a Google account. You can sign in with Google, Facebook or Twitter. But it's upon you. This is MIT App Inventor and I am Abhijit, and today I am going to teach you about layouts. Okay, so but first of all, this is the screen properties, as you all can see, and this is our work area. It is in shape of a mobile, so that we so as you have seen, this is how our app works. Furthermore, this is the side menu layout with our app logo here and all the screens here. Suppose if you are logged in and you want to log out, so all you have to do is click on log out here. Okay, so I believe you loved this video.